Hello and welcome to Check It Out with Rich. I'd like to make an apology. Months ago, I reached out to Beech Lane and asked if they would send me their camper levelers, and they did. So the second part of this video is me putting them on a camper, and then I forgot all about it. So I want to do an opening video for it, and we're going to compare them to the Andersen Levelers, which are pretty good. I've had these for quite a few years now, and they're still holding up good, but I just wanted to see what the Beech Lane had to offer. So let's open it up. Now on a camper right now, I actually have one of each on there so I can do this video. So it comes in this carrying bag, which isn't too bad. It's starting to get a few holes in it from riding around in the back of the truck. But you will get 2 chalks and 2 of the levelers. And what I like is, let's get rid of the bag. You also get 2 rubber pads to put down first before you put your levelers on. And this helps it, this is really good for pavement. On rocks, you really don't need it. The only time you'd use it on rocks is if you want to protect the bottom. So you can use it all the time. I normally don't. Okay, comparison. These are $85. This, the set with the bag and the rubber pads, is $110. So that's $30 more for these. These are a lot heavier than what these are. Okay, these are rated for 35,000 pound trailer weight, and these are rated for 30,000 pound trailer weight. I know that Andersen was having trouble with these breaking, so that might be part of it. Now, I think that's an older issue. I don't know if they still are, but in this one where your molding is, it's starting to crack there, and it seems like it's a little thinner. It's bowing down, where here your molding looks like it's here, and it's not as big. Okay, now both of these have a lifetime guarantee. They work the same way as the Andersens, and if it's too long, you can cut up to 4 inches off the front of this. So if your tires are real close together, you can still fit it in there to back up on. Okay, one time you cannot use these is to jack your camper up to change a tire. That is definitely not recommended. Don't jack it up, take a tire off and climb under there or nothing for safety issues. You should use something else, whether it's a bottle jack, or they do have ramps like these that are made for jacking your trailer up. Okay, for my likes, 1 is cheaper, and 2, they both work the same way, so there's really no comparison in them. I haven't used these a lot, but so far they've been working without any problem. Another thing I like is they do include the rubber matting, which gets me to a dislike. I wish this was a little bit bigger, both wider and maybe 6 inches longer, just to give you more leeway. Okay, so that's it. We're gonna go on to the much older me and see how they work. And check out Beech Lane. They have a lot of good products. I really like their leveler. That's electronic leveler, has an app on your phone. That thing is a lot better than the Levelmate, in my opinion. It's cheaper, and I think it works a lot better. All right, so let's get to the younger me. Okay, so now we're gonna go for the install on this. I just had a bug fly in my eye, but pretty straightforward. It's the same as the Andersens. So let's get everything out here. And I lift these up. These are a lot heavier than the Andersens. I think that's why they're rated for, what, 5,000 more pounds each. Okay, so I got everything out of the bag, and we probably don't need these, but I'm going to use them anyway. So we just want to put one in front of the tire, one in front of this tire, and then we want to slide this in. I'll go a little further with that, just like that. And we'll do the same to the other side. And that's all it is to it for getting to this point. And now I'm going to jump in the truck. I'm going to check out my Beech Lane leveler. I'm going to pull forward and tell Becky when to put the wedges in. Okay, here I go. A little more. Okay, Beck, go ahead, throw the wedges in. Okay, she just put the second wedge in, it looks like. Okay, now. Okay, so what I like to do is once she gets those set, I like to put it in neutral and just let it rest. Okay, so now we're locked in. Okay, yeah, I like to once she gets the wedges in, I like to put it in neutral to let it balance out, and then I'll throw it into park. But it's the same setup as the Andersons, and so far this is our first time. It's working good so far. Okay, so as a comparison between the two, they're both basically the same. There's minor differences. One major difference is these are a lot cheaper, and they do come in a bag. And other than that, they're pretty much the same. Okay, so hopefully you like this review. And once again, thanks for checking it out. We'll see you all next time. Bye. She got it that time.